Hi everyone, I'm Tina with Tina's Inspired Art. I'm super excited that you're here. We're going to have so much fun together. This is actually a 30 by 40 inch and it's a big one, but we're gonna really have fun on this one. And we're going to do a design that's really pretty too, just elegant. And it's gonna be kind of this one here, going across the canvas. We're looking at starting out our design with the black. I'm gonna outline my design, and I really wanted the black to give it a whole lot of depth in this painting. And I have some lime green. This is a pearl lime green. This is the mixture that I made up, and I think it'll just add a really nice brightness to this mixture of colors and some sheen to it. So that's that aqua, I'll call it an aqua pearlescence. And this is a white iridescent, a gold, and a bronze. That's my color choice. I'll start my design from this corner to that corner here. I think that's the best way. The center right there. All right, guys, that's a lot of paint. I think I better stop with the paint and start blowing this out to see what a beautiful piece we're making together. I'm gonna start in the middle and work my way around, and I'm following the arrows. I'm a little giddy because this really does look so cool. The colors are amazing together. Now, I was going obviously by this design here, but this is the starting point of my design. The way I blow it out and how much paint you flow, this is just a starting point that gives you the idea of what you can make on your painting. So the composition obviously looks really pleasing. We can get started on doing the botanical technique to this beauty. I am so happy with how it blew out. It's amazing what you can do with a little creativity and inspiration. You can really just design and create so many beautiful paintings that we have the pleasure of seeing that beauty every day. Let's see. I am going to put right here with the focal point. I'm probably going to take it in going like this. I really like clockwise for some reason. All right, so take it clockwise with my focal point right here. think I want to add a color in the middle. We have a beautiful painting in front of us.
Here are the wet results. I'm going to zoom you in for a nice close-up. I think she came out so beautiful. The colors, the design, the composition, they just all go so absolutely beautiful together.
All right, guys, here she is, this big, beautiful painting that we did together. Boy, she's a pretty one. She fills the whole canvas so nicely. You guys let me know what you think about this one on this big canvas. Very simplistic looking for the leaves, but just added enough where it took that Botanical Dutch Pour technique and that whole design to another level. So you too can take your paintings to the next level by incorporating different elements like this. So let me know in the comments below what you think about this beauty and the color choices that we've made. She shimmers in the light. There she is. I'm so proud of her. All right, guys, until next time, we'll see you later.